So you need vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, phytonutrients, phytoenzymes, there's omega-3 fatty acids, all these different things you need for cellular repair. And the protocol we created is called Hyper-Nourishment, because what we do is we intentionally overdose you in the nutrients your body uses for cellular repair.
So I want to talk about the smoothie. I want to talk about now what's the next step? What is the recommendation and what did you discover?
Science is all connected through all of this. When it comes to cellular function, right? There's certain things that you are a bag of cells all working together, right? And you have about 100 trillion of them. And it takes a lot of damage for you to even feel sick, right? You can carry thousands, millions, maybe even trillions of cells that are damaged and sick. You don't notice it till you hit that critical threshold where you go, ooh, I have a pain. But meanwhile, that pain was caused by enough illness building up, right, that you actually got there. So you've got this illness that's built up inside of you. Now we have to repair that damage. And the good news is what I've learned is that it's never too late. Your cells are programmed to repair themselves. Like a Lego set has the directions. You need the directions, then you need the Legos, right? If you're missing one of the pieces, now you're stuck. Same thing with cellular repair. So you need vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, phytonutrients, phytoenzymes, there's omega-3 fatty acids, all these different things you need for cellular repair. And the protocol we created is called Hyper-Nourishment, because what we do is we intentionally overdose you in the nutrients your body uses for cellular repair. So what that does is that creates this fast metabolism where you can, if your goal is to lose fat easily or build muscle quickly, it's going to work. Or if you need to repair damage, it's going to work for that. And when the damage gets repaired, it just gets better at dealing with threats as they come in. Like if you get a cold or a flu, right, that you should be able to quickly handle it and be better. Aging is a function of breaking down cells over time. If you have more nutrition, you're going to age more slowly. You're going to reverse the aging process in all the organs in your body, including your skin, but more importantly, the ones on the inside that keep you moving. So the way we overdose people, a simple way to do it is with green smoothies. And you see, I always have one, and this is not a prop. I was just drinking this. This is my smoothie. But the easiest way to hyper-nourish is through a straw, because a lot of people aren't used to eating the foods that give them the density of nutrition you need to stimulate this repair process. The highest dose of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, all that stuff that I want you to have comes from cruciferous vegetables and dark leafy greens. So like spinach, kale, chard, broccoli, all these things that people don't tend to eat very much of, I want them to eat a lot of. So what we found is if we can stuff the greens into a blender and you fill it up like 75%, you just shove them in there, you use your elbow, use your foot, whatever you can, and just shove those greens in like 75% full. Omega-3s, you grab a handful of flax or chia seeds, put that in there. Add some water. Water is a key ingredient for cellular repair. People who are dehydrated don't heal quickly. They need that ingredient. You don't need more coffee, you need more water, right? Put the water in there. Then with the remaining space, you add your favorite fruits, banana, frozen mango, pineapple, cherries, grapes, apples. Make it taste lovely. So you blend that up, put a straw in it, and you just drink that throughout the day. So that even if you add it to a diet that's not optimal, you're now adding the nourishment your body needs to actually be able to repair the damage. And it's incredible how decades of damage can be repaired rather quickly and people can go back to normal health. It's an incredible thing that I see over and over again. But it can be that simple. Now, if you don't like smoothies, you can eat it. Back when I did it, I didn't know about smoothies, and I ate like 2 pounds of broccoli and cauliflower a day, just dipping it in guacamole, which if you give me guacamole, I can eat anything. So just dip it in and I ate it and it worked. But most people, they prefer this. You can make it taste like mango, pineapple, banana. You can drink it down and you can go about your business without having to put a lot of mental energy into how am I going to get all this food in.